Hey my gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about a pretty neat product called Wrapperoo. Wrapperoo is a protective styling cape that you can use when styling your curly hair to prevent any product from getting on your clothing, or even for makeup getting on your clothing, as well as if you're coloring your hair, doing root touch-ups, you can use it for that. And I want to show you guys how it is, and what I'm going to use it for today is on freshly washed hair. As you can see, it is dripping wet. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you guys what it looks like coming out the box. Special shout out to Wrapperoo, Miss PJ McGuire, for sending me this. I had a chance to meet her at the Natural Hair Expo in Chicago, and she is such a sweet gem. And she had a very cute booth set up as well. So I'm excited to show you guys about the Wrapperoo. So she sent it to me in my favorite color, pink. And this actually has an insert in there too that's wrapped around the Wrapperoo to give you guys some detail on how you can use it and how to set it up. So it comes wrapped up like this. And as you can see, it's pretty large. What I like about it too is that it's made with a t-shirt material on the inside, which you know is better for natural hair than towels when you're drying your hair. So it's a t-shirt material on the inside. Never mind how wrinkled my hands are. Child, we had a wash and detangle day out this world. But this is the t-shirt side, and this is the pink cape side. So I'm going to show you guys how I put it on my hair and what I even use it for. So not only can you use this as a cape, but you can also use it if you are deep conditioning and you want to wrap your hair up. You can use it for that too. So I'm going to show you guys how you can use it that way. So you want to take the Wrapperoo, line it up straight on your head like so. Then you want to bring it back, and you almost want to create like a ponytail and twist. And then once you're done twisting it, this little handy dandy strap you can use to secure it. Now obviously if I was deep conditioning, I probably would have a plastic cap on under here to kind of protect it. And this also can help if you're looking to dry your hair. And the t-shirt material is in the inside, so you don't have to worry about damaging your natural curls. So that's pretty neat, right? And actually the way it's set, you could literally wear this outside if you want to, boo. Nobody gotta know you deep conditioning on the low. Wait, so that's one way you can use it. The other way you can use it is as a protective styling cape. So if you're using it as a protective styling cape, you still want to keep the towel portion of the Wrapperoo up top because that's what your hair will be touching. And you just secure it like that. So this will catch all the extra water that is dripping from your hair, so it won't get on your clothes. So I want to test this out by getting it wet again. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is wet and it is literally capturing all that dripping. This whole section right here is wet. So if it's doing its job, the pink side won't be wet. Let's see. How neat is that? Like, it literally is not even wet. Wet on this side, dry on that side. Wet on this side, dry on that side. So it's pretty cool, right? You can use this if you are styling your curly hair and don't want to get product all on your clothes. You can use this if you're doing a touch-up on your roots or doing a fresh color in your hair. You can use this if you're doing your makeup and you don't want to get that fallout on your clothing as well. So it's multiple uses. I mean, what's my mom always say, once you buy it, you do what you want with it, okay? So I like this. It does exactly what it's intended to do. Makes wash day much easier without having a dripping wet t-shirt. And I don't like the idea of having the towel around my neck because, as we know, that cotton from the towels can cause breakage in your natural curls. So this is a great alternative to be able to provide you with some protection from getting wet and getting product all over you without damaging your hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video giving you a product review of the Wrapperoo. If you did like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And then make sure when you subscribe to hit that notification bell so you can get notification when new posts become available. So until next time, bye my gems.